Hello everyone, you're watching sqadia.com and I am Hamad Haider. Today, as we are continuing with our topics of fracture management, today we'll be discussing principles of fracture management. As usual, we will have 5 sections. In the first, we'll be discussing briefly what is closed reduction of fractures and open reduction of fractures and how is it done. The next section will be discussing the role of continuous traction in form of either skeletal traction or skin traction, which can be done temporarily for especially for femur fractures. In the third section, we'll be discussing the role of braces and splints and what is their role in rehabilitation as well as in the healing of fractures. And the fourth section, we will be discussing briefly the internal fixation such as lag screw, plates, and nails, or external fixator, which could be in form of a uniplanar external fixator or multiplanar external fixator, Elizarov. Then in the last section, we will be discussing one of the most common presentation of a trauma, which is in form of open fractures, and what is the initial management, what are the principles of treatment, debridement, and how to stabilize the fracture. Thank you very much. Keep watching sqadia.com.